Hello everyone, welcome to our video on how to renew your listing on Facebook Marketplace. If you're selling items on Facebook Marketplace, you may have noticed that your listings expire after a certain period of time. In this video, we'll show you how to renew your listing so that it stays visible to potential buyers. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook Marketplace. The first step is to open Facebook Marketplace on your mobile device or desktop. In this tutorial I will use Facebook app in my mobile phone to do this tutorial. Step 2. Go to your seller profile. Once you're on Facebook Marketplace, tap on your seller profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your seller profile. Step 3. Tap on Quick Actions. On your seller profile, you'll see a Quick Actions button. Tap on this button to Step 4. Renew the listing. On the pop-up menu of the Quick Action, you'll see a Renew button. Click on this button to renew your listing. Tap to select all if you want to renew all of your listing that available in one click. After that, tap on Renew button, and then it will become active again. That's it. Renewing your listing on Facebook Marketplace is a simple process that can help you keep your items visible to potential buyers. By following these steps, you can ensure that your listings stay active and continue to attract interested buyers. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.